Step 1. Cut down on the villains. Considering that this is the third film in the trilogy, we want to be very personal to Peter. Every villain so far has had a direct connection to Peter as father figures. This movie attempted to continue with the connections by having Sandman as the one who killed his uncle. That completely voids the emotional significance of Peter's story in the first film. What wouldn't ruin the significance of the previous films? Focusing on his ever-evolving and strained relationship with Harry. Step 2. Use the symbiote, but don't give us Venom yet. You don't want to use up such a good villain as Venom by giving him barely a fraction of the screen time in a movie with the Green Goblin, Sandman, and Peter's own struggles with the symbiote. You can keep the symbiote in the story and use it to develop Peter as a character and have him continue figuring out what type of person he is, if he has badness in him or not. That would connect back to when he let his uncle's murderer die in the first movie. Then in the final battle, Harry fights Spider-Man with the symbiote and eventually helps him break free of it. Then Brock, who was introduced earlier to help us see how his personality's changed because of the symbiote, is taking pictures of the battle, then is taken over by the suit and left for the next movie. Step 3. Change the effects the symbiote has on Peter. The movie says that the suit amplifies qualities such as aggression. Peter's extreme cockiness doesn't seem like it would really fit with that description, especially since he never really displayed any cockiness for the suit to amplify. He does have aggression though, such as when he let the robber run past him because he was angry and when he let him die. So focus on that. Focus on the violent ways he starts to stop criminals and the way he interacts with all the people that have been stepping all over him during the trilogy. Don't have him hitting on the secretary. Don't have him dancing down the street. Step 4. Don't do the cheesy news station exposition. Just don't. Step 5. Rework the ending. The ending should have significance for and bring closure to the overarching character development of the entire trilogy, while at the same time setting up for a sequel if so desired. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more, and if there's a movie you'd like to see us do next, let us know in the comments.